Hello guys, lot of greetings. Today I'm gonna show how to make water drop. You can see here a lot of water drops with different shape. So let's start. First of all, I make a layer. And then I'm going to here, this mercury tool, and then draw a circle. And then next, I'm going to use gradient tools. Just draw one line up to bottom here. Then I'm going to blending option here. Then I'm going to choose, let's see here, it will be adjustable. And then I'm going to make inner shadow. So here inner shadow. I think opacity is okay. Okay. And then outer shadow. Dragon 90, and then I think it's okay. You can see here the drop. If you make it smaller, yeah. So you can just make copy the drop. Just Ctrl J here. Yeah. And then also you can make it smaller if you like. You just and then and you can see how many you like. This I can put here. Here. And then like more small shape here. Now I'm going to make shape, different shape. So just what I have to do, just to go here and then here liquify. You see. So for example, I'm going to make this shape here. Like this, for example, you can see here. So you can make whichever like shape. So you can also transfer this one, for example, here, or you can make also shape. Just say again, go here and liquify. So like this. You see here, this way we can make it. I think it's okay. Here we are. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.